Do you need to replace the power button on your Inspiron 7435 2-in-1? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, unsnap the locking tabs and disconnect the input-output board cables. Now disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. Then unscrew and lift up the left LCD hinge. Now unscrew and remove the input-output board. Next, unscrew and remove the power button. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.